Hi, I want to welcome you to the weekly analysis. Okay, in this video I'm going to be showing you basically what I am seeing in the market, what DXY will be doing in the market, what JPY will be doing, the CFDs, the stocks, the synthetics. Get ready for this anything to do with you today, and I hope it's going to help you to get ready for the coming week. Excuse me. Remember I said don't trade the market if you are not strong, because this period of the market is a little bit different from other things. So let me take you to the chart. Let's go. Alright, quickly let me take you straight on to the dollar index. Show you what the dollar index is doing before I talk to you about JPY. So here's the dollar index, and there's this funny printing that's been happening. Okay, so price has twice mitigated this zone. So what I'm going to be expecting is for dollar index to give me bearish confirmations throughout this week. Okay, so I'm going to be doing bearish full time. Okay, what I want to see is a big retracements, and that way I'm going to be buying all the use buying up to this week. But I would like to see price come down at least to this point of interest before I begin to consider buys. Okay, this is what I'll do with EU for the free community, it's GMU for the VIP, and the other communities discussing EU, NU, AU, and the rest of the use. Let's go straight to JPY. JPY, of course, I already said during the review that it's giving us bullish. Okay, so this is a bullish sign. Okay, and that simply means we'll be selling. Okay, we'll be selling. So if we see a sell entry GJ, it will sell. So this is a sell signal. Price is taken at this low. Okay, so quickly we just get any sell signal, any sell pushing from here, just take it down this point. Okay, but I'm gonna wait for full confirmation if I'm gonna run that. I'm gonna just jump up into it. Okay, and then we apply for GJ, free community, discuss EJ, the rest of the J's, VIP. Then let's go straight to silver. Let's look at what silver is doing. Okay, you can see the silver giving you rejection from the downside, but it still looks like it's going to give us more bearish move. So we're going to wait to see more of that. We have GBP, CHF, BCHF, looks like it's going to be bearish. We're going to wait until we see a sign, clear sign that US30 after the major spike, okay, might just give us a few of bullish move before it go bearish. Okay, and Ethereum had its own spike, and because of this rejection, Ethereum might be going bearish. Okay, we'll wait for a confirmation to give you that in full. Tesla is definitely bearish, so wait for that also to give you in full. So straight up, let's go to the synthetics. Let's see what the synthetics have for us. So we'll really look at volatility 25 and jump 25. This is for the free community, and for the VIP community I discussed with John. Boom. Okay, now this is volatility 25. Massive bullish move already done there. We're going for more bullish move. That's the bullish market. Jump 25. Jump 25. Just looking like after it's moving down this low, and we're going to get some most likely. If he doesn't give us a bearish confirmation, then we're going bullish. So this will be all for this week's weekly analysis. Watch out for the live trading session. We should be there. I hope with this video you've been able to understand what you should be trading this week. What you shouldn't do this week. I hope you've been able to see clearly what directional bias the market is going to be. Now, make sure you put up your risk management properly, and make sure you're not in the haste to take certain decisions. Stick to the rules. Okay, don't blow the account. Make sure you're making money this week. Remember, I'm going to be live, okay, and in live trading with you. And make sure you join that live, as I'm going to be also giving more details about this week's trading. See you in live trading session.